So now I'm going to move on to the second application. That application is on a flux. So you people are know about the flux in your physics subject. So what we have a definition, just see that the net flow of a quantity through the surface or a curve. Flux is defined as here the net flow of the quantity through the surface or a curve, or you can define like a flux is defined as the amount of a step going through the curve or a surface here. Okay, so and the expression for flux is given as double integration of vector f dot product with unit vector n ds over a surface s. This is the surface integral. Flux, it is nothing but surface integral only. So unit vector n represents here unit vector normal to the surface. That unit vector direction is always outward to the surface here. Okay, vector f represents here vector function. Okay, so this is the expression for a flux, that is double integration of vector f dot product with unit vector n ds. And let us move on to the problems on the flux here. Okay, so observe a statement of the problem. If vector f is equals to 2xy into I plus yz square into j plus xz into vector k, and s is the rectangular parallelepiped bounded by x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0, z is equals to 0, x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1, z is equals to 3, and find the flux across a s here. So in this problem, what is our aim here? We have to find a flux across the surface here. Okay, so for that one, they given here boundaries of the surface. These are the boundaries of a surface and given here vector function, that is vector f. Just write down given vector f is equals to 2xy into I, yz square into j, xz into vector k. And we have to find here flux across the s. Okay, so flux across s is given as double integration of vector f dot product with unit vector n ds over a surface s. Surface s is nothing but here rectangular parallelepiped here. Okay, so you know that by divergence theorem, so just write down the statement of the divergence theorem. What is that? That includes here, that gives the divergence theorem gives the relation between the here surface integral and a volume integral. Therefore, that gives a statement of the divergence theorem gives here double integration of vector f dot product with unit vector n ds is equals to triple integration of vector f dot product with divergence of a f ds. Divergence of a f ds over a v here over a surface s. This is by divergence theorem. So this is nothing but flux only. This is nothing but flux across the s. So flux across a s, that is equals to triple integration of vector v divergence of a f ds. Consider this one as a equation 1 here. So for finding the flux here, we have to find initially divergence of a f. Therefore find here divergence of a f. Divergence of a f is nothing but del dot product with vector f. So del means dou by dou x into I, dou by dou y into j plus dou by dou z into vector k. Dot product with vector f. Vector f, what we have this one, just write down here 2xyi yz square j xz into vector k. Then dou by, in between these two there is a dot product here. Okay, so dot product between these two, dou by dou x of 2xy plus dou by dou y of yz square plus dou by dou z of xz. So this is our divergence of a f. So divergence of a f implies dou by dou x of 2xy 2y, dou by dou y of yz square z square, dou by dou z of xz means x. Substitute divergence of a f value in the equation 1. Okay, therefore equation 1 implies, what we have equation 1 means this one. Therefore flux is equals to triple integration over a v divergence of a f here. Divergence of f means this one. Substitute that one, 2y plus z square plus x, and we have to write here dv. What we have here ds, dv, this one, not a ds. Okay, dv, what it implies, dv means volume across the all the three coordinates, that is dx, dy, dz. Okay, so dv represents here dx, dy, dz. Then flux is equals to triple integration. Now we have to define a volume. They given clearly here, x value changes from 0 to 2, y value changes from 0 to 1, z value changes from 0 to 3. They given here boundary values of a x, y, z, that is nothing but boundary values of the surface here. Okay, just substitute here. X value changes from 0 to 2, y value changes from 0 to 1, z value changes from 0 to 3. 2y plus z square plus x dx, dy, dz. Okay, then solve this integral here. So keep a first two integrals as it is. X is equals to 0 to 2, y is equals to 0 to 1. Keep it as it is. 2y. First we have to integrate with respect to z. We have a z limits. First we have to integrate with respect to z. 2y with respect to z, 2yz. Z square with respect to z, z cube by 3. X with respect to z, xz. What we have a limits for a z here, 0 to 3. Wherever is z na, substitute a 0 to 3, and what we have a limit means terms here, next term dx dy. Next, keep a first two integrals as it is. Then wherever is z in this equation, substitute that one as a upper limit 3. Okay, so 2y into 3, 6y. 3 cube divided by 3, what it implies 9 only, plus in place of a z substitute a 3, 3x. Then lower limit what we have, 0. If you substitute 0, 0, 0 on all the three terms, you will get a 0. No need to write down here. Dx, dy. Next integral, keep a first integral as it is. Integrate with respect to y. Integrate with respect to y here. Then 6y with respect to y, 6y square by 2. 9 with respect to y, 9y. 3x with respect to y, 3xy. And what we have a limits here, y is equals to 0 to 1. Keep a dx as it is. Next, integration from x is equals to 0 to 2. Apply upper limit and lower limits here. Wherever is y, substitute that one as a 1. So 1 square 1, 6 by 2, 3 plus 9 into 1, 9 plus 3x into 1, 3x. Minus lower limit 0, 0, 0. No need to take that one. Then whole with respect to x. Okay, so 3 plus 9, what it implies, 12 plus 3x. Integration from x is equals to 0 to 2 whole with respect to x. So integrate separately here 12 dx. To integration of a 12 dx, 12x plus 3x with respect to x, 3x square by 2. And what we have a limits here, 0 to 2. 12 into. Apply upper limit here. In place of x, substitute upper limit 2 plus 3 by 2, x square means 4. Substitute a 2, 2 square means 4, minus lower limit 0. Then 12 2s are here, 24 plus 6, what it implies, 30. Therefore, flux along the or flux through the surface is double integration of vector E of dot product between vector E and ds value is here 30. This is our required final answer. This is our required flux.